Hello, welcome. My name is David Isamuji. How are you guys doing? Hope you guys are keeping safe. Please keep safe. Keep safe at all costs. Please, let's stay indoors and just make sure we are healthy. This phase will pass. We'll all feel better and good. And we can come out again and rejoice together. But for now, please stay indoor and let me provide you daily content you can watch and be happy about. So my name is David Isamuji. If you don't know me and you just joined me for the first time, I'm the owner and founder of MONEY T Shirt Design. Yes, I just came up with a little PDF file you can get now. It gives you tags list from A to Z, niche and hobby tag list, so you don't need to go through the stress of researching tags. I've already done that, did an in-depth research on that for you, so you can get that. So without wasting much of your time, you get the link in the description. It should be the first link in the description. Make sure you check it out if you need it. It's very important for you guys coming into print or demand to make passive income doing it. That will save you a lot of time. So for today, let's just get into today's video. So I'm gonna open Photoshop. We're gonna use Photoshop for this. This design should not take us more than 10-15 minutes to get it done. Should not take us more than that. Your design should be super easy, fast, easy to demonstrate and all. So for this design, I'm just gonna go to flat icons where I get my designs from. So for this, it's gonna be an alcohol theme design. You can get when people are home taking some liquor. So just make one. Gonna make one. I'm going to be doing an A to Z series just because of the PDF file I have up in the description, the first link. If you want to check that out. So I'm going to be doing an A to Z, going from A, B, C. So just follow me along and you will enjoy it, I promise you. So now let's look for an alcohol like bottle, something we can use. Okay, I think we can use this. Let me just find a single bottle that should work well. Okay, I think I can use this. Let me see how this one is. So I think I can. Okay, let me use. It's better to use this first one. So I'll just download it. Once I download, I'll just show you the next step you get. So just click on PNG, download. This is the owner. Make sure you give credit. Make sure you always give credit. It's very important. I do that when I get my element from here. I always give credit. So now that we have the whiskey downloaded, we're just gonna go over. We'll just go over and just put in our design here. So now that we have that, we just go to create a design. Standard custom dimension. Standard is 4500 by 5400 pixel. So just create a design. So this one is going to be a super easy design. Let's just move over to this left panel and just scroll down to where it says upload. You click on it, upload image. So now we'll just find our new design to be a whiskey bottle, if I'm not mistaken. So this is it. So just click on it and open it, and we'll just wait for it to load here. While it's loading here, I want to tell you that you can get the it's called the print on demand tag vote. You get every design tags from A to Z. So whatever your design concept is, just make sure you follow that PDF file to check and make sure you have the right niche and right tag already available for you, so that you don't have to go through the stress of doing it. I've already gone through that stress. You also need to follow the tags on those lists and you are good to go. So just click on this. So click on this. So I'll just try to position this somewhere. So what I want to do now is to get rid of the cup. Yes, I want to get rid of the cup. So to do that, I'll just come to template, element. I'll just get a white. So now we drag this inwards, and I'll just hover it on this. That's what I'll do. Then I'll change the color to white so that it blends with the, as you can see, now we've gotten that to blend. So now I'll just, as you can see, I just saw this for the first time, so I'll click on it. As you can see, now I'll make it bigger. Hovering my mouse to this edge and press my left mouse click button, I'll just make this bigger. Bigger. So do that till you can get it around the bottle. As you can see. So now that we have that, we just go over and save this. As you can see, we're using the free version of Canva, so you can't download with the white background, but in the next stage I'm going to show you how to do that. I'm going to show you how to download the white background. So for now, just click on download, and it's going to prepare a download and get it downloaded. If you need to get this PDF, it's very important. It's the best tool you have, trust me. Check the first link in the description. You will love those two. So now we'll click on to confirm the design. Click on this. So this is our design. Now this is the stage whereby I'm going to show you how to remove the white background, because you don't need the white background. So you right click, open with Photoshop. So this is stage 2 of the design. Make sure you check out the PDF. That PDF will surely help you. It's one tool you want to have in your arsenal for print on demand. If you know you're into print on demand, you want to make passive income, make sure that PDF file is in your arsenal. It's super cool. I'm telling you, you will enjoy it, trust me. Check the first link in the description. So now let's click on this folded paper which says create new layer. Then we'll click on layer 0. I will just go over to this magic word tool, click on it, and click on the white background, because we want to get the white background off this design. So just click on that so that to get it off. As you can see, we'll do the same thing for the outer part again, for inner part, sorry. Just do that. We'll do it for this part again, get it off. If you notice, we still have some other white part, so we'll just keep doing that till you can get it all out. So you can get this all out of the design. Just keep doing it. So I'll pause this so that I can get that done. So now we have all the white off. So I'll do Ctrl 0 to get it to the middle. Now that we have all the white off, we just click on this arrow to position it right in the middle, as you can see. So now we'll save it. Make sure we save it as PNG. So just give it a name. This will be alcohol. So now we just save it as PNG. We're doing this so that we can have it in the without the white background. So once this is done and saved, we can now move over to put it onto our shirt. Super easy. This is the final stage. If you want to know where I get this mockup from, just let me know in the comments. I'll be glad to help you out. So come to T-shirt mockup. T-shirt mockup. As you already know from my channel, you know that this is my favorite mockup. I always use this. So I'll just delete these designs and go over and bring in our new, the one we just created. This is it. So I'll just drag it into this free layered space. As you can see, it has the transparent background because that's what we always want to do. We want our designs to be in transparent background. So as you can see, it's quite big, so I'll hover my mouse to this edge and I'll press down 3 buttons, my Control Shift and my left mouse click button, and drag inward to reduce it. When I'm okay with that, press enter and I'll go to file and save. So we'll go back to our shirt. As you can see, we have it on our shirt. So we can just play with the colors. If you leave it at white, this is the way it will look. I think I like it the way it is now, so I'll just leave it at white, and I'll just save this. Go to file, save as. And save it as PNG. This one we save it as PNG because we just need this to be sent to Instagram's promoters, fun page, travel page, because you can classify this shirt as a summer shirt or a alcohol or liquor shirt, a cocktail shirt. So any which way, just click on save, save that, and you have your design. Your design is ready for you. As you can see, it took us 11 minutes. So remember, if you want to save time on posting, because now all that is left is for you to take this your design, take it to Redbubble, TeePublic. If you're matched by Amazon, fine. You post it and you just go through the PDF file, which the link is already in the description. You see, you check for A, which shows alcohol. Look at the tags. Those tags are the most useful tags. Once you have those tags in your listing, you put it in the tag box and you're good to go. Just name your shirt, put those tags in the tag box, you are good to go. It's a very good resource you want to have in your arsenal when it comes to print on demand. So with that, I'll say to your right, you say playlist. Make sure you watch those playlists, and I will definitely see you in tomorrow's video. Please stay safe. Love you.